Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Guys, tell me what is the difference between PLC equal procedure and PLC equal function, guys? What is the difference between PLC equal procedure and PLC equal function? Procedure returns a value. No, reverse. Procedure does not return a value, whereas function returns a value. Yeah. Listen here. If you want to get 10 results from procedure, we have to take 10 out parameters. If you want to get 10 results from function, you have to take 9 out parameters and one return value. That's it. We have to take 9 out parameters and we have to take one parameter, one return value. So while creating a function, you must mention return type and you must return a value. See this? Create or replace function. Earlier procedure was there, now in that place function. Function name, no in number, address out varchar to, okay, st average out float, return varchar. Actually, I want to get three results, guys. Name, average, name, address. So address and average I have taken as out parameter and I have taken one return type. So I am returning name. So indirectly, out of three results, one result we are passing as what? Return value, and remaining two results we are taking as what? Out parameters. Everyone noticed that point, guys? Come on. Okay, guys. Now, observe very carefully. Yeah. The query that calls PLC call function should treat, should take parameter even representing parameter even representing a return value and that parameter must be registered as must be treated as out parameter and must be registered with JDBC. Must be treated as out parameter and must be registered with JDBC type. Okay, guys. Yes, what is the syntax, guys? Open flower bracket call. Array, some databases are not supporting this call in uppercase, guys. So try to write in lowercase only. Okay, na? Call. Before call, one question mark. Only in function this problem is there. Question mark is equal to call function name params. Params. Question mark. This is extra, guys. Parameter representing the return value. It is simply the parameter representing the return value. Everyone understood my point, guys? Come on. Right. Fine. Okay. Now, I would like to develop JDBC application that calls PL/SQL function, to get student name, address, average based on the given student number. Function na, out of 3 results, 1 result should be taken as return type, return value. Remaining 2 results we should get through out parameter. We must get through out parameters. Okay. Fine, boss. Now here what is this? 114. I think I already created procedure, it seems. Function. Callable function test.
This is really cool. What is this? Oh, this is a medical clock. I actually know exactly what this is. I've totally seen this before. What do you do with it? So you
Callable function
hand like
test.
right through here, and it takes your pulse. You put this hand in it, it takes this pulse. Just put your hand in it. Put your hand in it. Cool. Now, Derizi, just like take these over here and then put it on. Yep. No, wait. That's are you? Yeah.
Callable function test.
Yeah. Yep. There. Cool. And you just put that through, and then there's this.
Scanner SC is equal to null.
There you go. Put that in. Yeah. It's easy. And then it takes this pulse.
Read inputs.
That's awesome.
SC is equal to new scanner of system dot in.
It's really cool. Okay, well, I kind of lied to you. It's not a medical clock.
SC not equal to
Actually, this
null.
like Masonic LOD, it's really old, and this does kind of.
SC is equal to new scanner of system dot in if SC not equal to null.
See you later then, Xavier.
Okay.
Okay, just get if you just there you can turn on. You can turn on. Okay.
Yes, guys. Read SNO is equal to 0. Fine, guys. System dot out dot println. Enter student number.
No, Jabrizi, there was a key next to it.
NO is equal to SC dot next.
There was a key. How are we gonna get it open? It's fine. It's not that big. It's not a big deal. It's fine.
Register JDBC driver software. Class dot for name. Arkil dot JDBC dot driver dot Arkil driver.
It's brilliant. Do we need to go get a worker?
Establish the connection.
Is it moving? It's moving. Shoot. It's moving. Can you get this out? On the lock.
Java dot SQL dot connection. Con is equal to
We see it happen.
driver manager dot get
78% of women have
connection at the rate localhost 1521x. What is the username system? What is the password?
What does that mean?
Username is system, password is managed. Yes. Create callable statement.
Okay, that I'll go first.
Okay, would you would you rather flash everyone at the bar
Oh my god, I would never.
or cheat on me with my roommate?
Shut it off.
No.
Stop recording.
No,
Stop
why the fuck
recording.
you do that? We've been dating.
Create callable statement object. Let me take a query. It's a function having one in parameter, two out parameter, one return parameter. Return parameter should be taken as what? Out parameter and must be registered with JDBC. Private static final string call underscore function open floor bracket and closing floor. Open floor bracket and what? Closing floor bracket. After that, what next? Question mark is equal to call. See boss, in procedure, this call can be in uppercase, lowercase. In function, it is not our problem. Database Oracle is having issue. It is expecting in lowercase. It is expecting in lowercase only in function. While calling procedure, call can be in uppercase, lowercase, guys. What is the name of the function? This is the function. How many parameters are there? Two. Question mark is equal to call. Three question mark symbols are here. How many are there? Three question mark symbols are here. Fine. Call underscore function. Question mark, three question mark symbols.
आया मम्मी लास्ट तो लेने दो पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है मेरी इसमें भी
If con not equal to null, con dot prepare call
अरे मम्मी यार हम तो
underscore function. Con dot prepare call underscore function. Fine. We read the number. This one. Register. Same here. Same. Register. Out comma return params with JDBC database. Simply try to register out comma return parameters with JDBC database. if cs not equal to null, cs dot register out parameter, cs dot register out parameter. What is the parameter index, guys? What is the parameter index? First, I want to register. Count from left to right. Left to one. One is there. One. What is this? Types dot varchar. Types dot varchar. Array return parameter is representing what? Return value. Oh, it is pasted without return statement. Huh? How come? How come, guys? How it is there without return statement? We should return something now, guys. Return name. Come here. Yeah. Here we are registering return param. CS dot register out parameter. Register out parameter. One, two. Okay. Now for the second parameter is what? This one. In the query, this is second. This is third. This is fourth. Third and fourth. Three comma. Types dot. Types dot. What is that third? Okay. Address and salary. Address and salary. Average. Address and average. Address means varchar. CS dot register out parameter 4 comma. Types dot float. What dot float, guys? Types dot. This is out param. This is also out parameter. One is out parameter, other one is also out parameter. Okay, cool. Next, we should think about set values to in param. Execute or call. Gather results from out parameters. Gather results from return comma out parameters. CS dot get int of 1. Employee name, employee address, employee salary. Here, cs dot get float of 3. Right. End of the try block, guys. Catch. SQL exception, yes. Acha, what is the in parameter here? 1 in parameter, 3 out, 4 out parameter. This is written parameter, should be treated as out parameter. So in parameter number is 2, and moreover, the number that is there in register out parameter won't be reflecting in set triplex methods. The number that is there in set triplex method won't reflect in register out parameter method. Yes, guys. To handle unknown exception, take this. Fine. What is there? Close JDBC objects. Simply close what objects, guys? JDBC objects. Right. If CS not equal to null, CS dot close. CS not equal to null, CS dot close. Yeah, I think we are taking this one as a student application. No? We are taking it as a student application. Yes, student. Catch. SQL exception SC. SC dot closed. Yes. SQL exception SC. SC dot closed. Yes. SC closed. If CS not equal to null, CS dot close. Next one is what? CS not equal to null, CS dot close. Next, con not equal to null, con dot close. I'm using scanner here. If SC not equal to null, SC dot close. End of main method. I think name right, address right. This is student marks campus. This is my finally block. This is end of main method. This is end of class. Fine, guys. What is extra here? Treating written parameter as out parameter registering to JDBC and highlighting written parameter having index null. And we are gathering results. Anyhow, written parameter is out parameter from there. Written param, out param, out param. Right click, run on Java application. Student number 102. Oh, student name is this. Wrong. Student name is there. Invalid column index. Okay. Oh, sorry. This is not 2 now. It is not 2. 3, 4. 2 is in parameter now, guys. 2 is in parameter not. I should not forget that. Student number. Yes, we got it. If I give wrong student number, exception came, data not found. What is the number? 1403. So go here. Record not found. It's simply saying what? Record not found. Is that clear, guys? Come on. Understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Are you with me? Are you understanding my statement here, guys? This is how we have to think about the whole process, guys. Easy, na? Same as procedure, but function what is? Return parameter is extra. Treating return parameter as out parameter is extra, and resisting with the JDBC type, and we are gathering results from even return parameter like regular out parameter. Sir, I have a question. Sir, you are doing only select operations in PL SQL procedures or function. Can't we perform non-select operation? Why not? Definitely we can perform. Why not? Definitely we can perform this. CS function test.java. Yes. Yeah, listen carefully, boss. When you execute non-select query in PL SQL procedure or function, the numeric value that represent number of records that are affected will be stored in one predefined cursor variable. Array, length is a built-in property in Java or user-defined property? Length. Array length, boss. Array length is a built-in property or user-defined property? Write something, guys. Built-in property. Are you going to create that property or that is automatically generated by Java compiler? It's a built-in property. Yes. Similarly, SQL percentile row count is a built-in cursor variable that holds numeric value representing number of records that are affected. Representing number of records that are affected. Whenever you execute non-select query in PL SQL programming, using this variable, we can find out number of records that are affected during the query execution. During the query execution. Shall we see that? Yes. SQL percentile row count SQL percentile row count is built in cursor variable of Oracle PL SQL programming, Oracle PL SQL programming, and it holds numeric value representing number of records that are affected because of non-selective SQL query execution. Non-select SQL query execution happened in the PL SQL procedure or function. Happened in the PL SQL procedure or function. Cool guys. So this is a built-in cursor variable, not case sensitive, not a block. Okay. Now I want to develop one application that is deleting number of records that are affected, guys. Okay, not deleting the anything, any non-select operation you can take. Let me take, yeah, let me delete the student details based on the given two city names. Let me delete the student details based on the number of, based on the given two city names. Write a JDBC application that calls PL SQL function to delete the student details based on the given student number. No, student city names. That delete student details based on the given city name. Student city names. Student city names. Yes, guys. Fine, guys. Based on the given student city names, literally solidly based on the given student city names. Everyone understood my point there? Right. Yeah, let us develop that one, guys. New function name fx underscore delete city students by cities. City one in varchar. City one in varchar. What it wants to return? Or it has to return number of records that are affected, guys. Okay, it has to return number of records that are affected. Return type number. Okay, return type number. Yes. Okay, fine, guys. I just want to display number of records that are affected, guys. Anyhow, one result. That's why I'm just going to take return. I'm just going to take return value. No need of taking any out parameter. city1 in varchar 2, city1 in varchar 2, this one. Now listen carefully. Delete from student. Delete from student. Come on. Where SADD1 in SADD in SADD in city1 comma city2. Yes, city1 comma city2. The written type is what, guys? Number. Okay, let's see what I'm doing. Returning SQL percentile row count. Return SQL percentile row count. It returns numeric value representing number of records that are affected. It represents numeric value representing number of records that are affected. Okay. Statement is ignored. Why so? Invalid characters. What is invalid character? I'll take local variable. CNT number 5. CNT colon equal to return CNT. Command not ended properly. Delete from student where SADD in is equal to SADD in semicolon. Yeah. See the message step. Compile. Compile. I think this local variable also not required, guys. If my analysis is right. Did you notice it, guys? Come on. Yes, see, SQL percentile row count. If this query has deleted 10 records, this returns 10. If this query has deleted 20 records, this deletes 20. If this query has deleted 0 record, this deletes 0. So you need not to get separately. SQL percentile holds number of records. Anyhow, what is the return type of the function, guys? Number. Okay, that's why I'm SQL percentile row count also gives number. That's why I have written number of records that are affected through SQL percentile row count. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Come on. Understood my statement here? It's a built-in cursor variable. It's a built-in cursor variable. New. Sir, why in two in parameter? I want to delete based on the two input city locations, na? Satyam, you are not understanding basic requirement, ra babu. Based on given two city names, I want to delete student. Two city name means two city names should be given as input values or not. Two city name means two city names should be given as input values or not. Come on. Use brain ra babu. Use what is our requirement. Write a JDBC application that call PL SQL function to delete student details based on the given student city names. Yeah, if anyone matching also it will delete based on the given two city names. If you are interested what about two, you can give the two. It's like R class, na? In operator always acts as a R class. Okay. CS function test. I'll go for save as. I don't want to waste time from scratch level. Callable function test1.java. Okay, but one thing I want to write, the PL SQL procedure or function can contain only the PL SQL procedure or function can contain only select queries or only non-select queries or mix of both. Only select queries or only non-select queries or mix of both. Yes, guys. Function test one. Copy this, paste it. Yeah. Call underscore function. What is this call underscore function? We'll come to that. Tell me, boss, how many input values are there to read, guys? Two input values. What are those? City 1, city 2. City 1 is equal to null, comma. City 2 is equal to null. Yes. What is that string type? City 1 is equal to SC dot next. City 2 is equal to this one. Fine, boss. JDBC driver, establish the connection function. What is the function we are having? Function we are having. Question mark is equal to call fx underscore delete underscore student by cities. How many question marks here? Two cities. Why I no extra question? Are no out parameters na boss? That's why. Because there are no out parameters. That's why, guys. Next. Yeah, these two things, city 1, city 2. No need of adding extra decoration for inputs. Done. Arakhil thin at the rate. This one. Nice. Register out parameters with the JDBC type. Out comma return parameter. Return parameter type is numeric type here. This type. Integer. Okay. Second. No, only one out parameter here. Remaining all are in parameters. Array city 1, city 2 are what? Out parameter, in parameter, in parameter. Is there any need of setting values to in parameters, guys? Yes.
36 into 11. 36 into 11. 3 and 6 will be as it is.
CS dot set
6
string
is
2
going to
comma
be 1.
city 1.
So 54 is a 2. 7.
3 comma city 2. 3
This
comma
is
city
7.
2. Array first find out total how many parameters have come. How many question marks? 3. First one is reflecting here. First one here. Second one, third one in the this one. Execute here. Number of records that are expected. I Number of records that are affected is CS dot get string of CS dot get string of 1 because that's the return param. CS dot get string of 1, that is the return param. Okay. Any problem? Data not found? Yes. Remaining hard exception. CS not equal to null. CS dot close. Con not equal to null. Con dot close. SC not equal to null. SC dot close. Right. Get number of records that are affected. Okay. Numeric value na. We can present numeric value as string, but string cannot be presented as numeric value. CS dot RS dot get int of 1. Come on, guys. See what I have done? What I have done here. Connection established having query as pre-compiled query. We are registering out parameter the JDBC type. Okay. Next. Set string 2 comma city 1 2 3 comma city 2. We are setting value. Everything is same as calling PL SQL procedure. Only the difference is okay, return value, return value, return value is very, very important. Right now, there is only one result to return. That is what number of records that are affected. That's why I have taken here one return param. That one result as a return param. If two results are there, one result as a out parameter, another result as return parameter. Now let's see now what's happening. Run on Java application. Enter city 1 Hyderabad, city 2 Vizag. Number of records that are affected is 3. Check it out.
It is a 3-digit number. Answer will be having 4 digits. What we need to do will be notated. First and last dates will be same. First and last dates will be same. In order to get the middle digits, you can do 2 plus 3 plus 2, it is going to be 5. 2 plus 1, it is going to be 3. Answer choice is going to be 1, 3, 1, 3. Answer choice is going to be 3, 1, 3. We'll do one more. 3. I have an
Tell me, guys, what is the table we are looking for? Student table.
what will be the result? 144 is a 3-digit number. Answer will be having 4 digits. The first and last dates will be same, 1 and 2. So how to get the middle digits? 4 plus 4, that is going to be 8. 4 plus 1, that is going to be 5. Answer
Here we are having student table. Right now I'm doing on student table only, na? Yes. Number of records that are affected is 3. Here what is there? Navi Hyderabad is there. Under city name. Run it. Number, it is not asking city to. Did you notice it? It is not asking city to. That means better to write one dummy next line method before rs dot next. Next we have to place one dummy. We have to place one dummy. We have to place one dummy method. Okay. So where is this? Sc dot next. Request to. Enter request to. Navi Mumbai. Number of records that are affected are 0. These records are not there. Navi Hyderabad, Navi Hyderabad. Spell mistakes are there. Navia Havia. Navi only was. Navi Hyderabad, Navi. Navi Hyderabad. Oh, Havia I have given. Okay, go for next execution. Navi Hyderabad. City 2. City 2. Number of records that are affected is 0. What's happening, guys? What's happening? There is a Navi Hyderabad record, but it is not allowing us to delete. Navi Hyderabad. Here one space or two spaces. One. Here also no space. Here also no space.
मम्मी रेड पेन कहाँ रखा आपने? हम्म
What's happening? Why it is taking this much time, guys? Acha. Okay, what is this? If I don't please that, it is keeping this. City 1. Okay, why it is not taking second one? It will ignore first one or second one, guys. I think ignore second one, it seems. It will take one as the dummy one, right? Which one it will take dummy one? Second one it will take dummy one, or first one it will take dummy one? Okay, so before second one I will write. Yes. Before second one, I am writing done only. Navi Hyderabad. Hello. Number of records that are affected zero because no space is there. Okay. Number of this one. Who? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? We committed data. Number of records that are affected is this one. Array is now saying that second one is also not ignored. Then why it is giving problem? Okay, let it be. Number of records that are affected is zero. Refresh, we lose the data. Fine, no problem. We'll enter data freshly. Rajesh, Hyderabad, average. Yes. Now it's coming. Not a problem. Not a problem. Number of records that are deleted is this. Say refresh. Is losing both the records or not? Yeah. Tell me how I am getting number of records that are affected, guys. Am I writing any logic or by using SQL percentile row count? Am I writing on my own or by using SQL percentile row count? Convinced with me, guys. Come on. Copy this. Your most important thing is SQL percentile row count, nothing else. Array, you have done so much hangama and a project is, file is not pasted. Callable function test. This is important. Holds the number of records that are affected because of non-selected. That's a built-in cursor variable, boss. Holds and returns. Holds and returns the number of records that are affected because non-select query that happened. Number of non-select query that is executed. Yes. SQL percentile row count is a built-in cursor variable. Built-in cursor variable. Understanding my statement, guys? Right. So with this, callable statement object calling PL SQL function with respect to Oracle completed. Tomorrow I will give only one, two example on MySQL, how to use MySQL to get the to execute the PL SQL function or procedure. Then we will move to different types of JDBC result set objects. What objects, guys? Various types of JDBC result set objects. So then we will discuss some more miscellaneous discussions. Right. I hope you got a clarity, guys. Invalid variable name. Array, check the question mark symbols, guys. Check the question mark symbol the way you are using for register out parameter. Indexes, parameter index. Most of the people do mistake in indexing only. Be careful. Do indexing properly, then tension will not be there. Thank you, guys. We meet tomorrow.